So here is the plug. So let's go ahead and undo that. So this is the back, and it has a handle right here so you can lift it. And this is the prong. We're just going to go ahead and plug this in. Is the on button. And let's turn it back around, and we're going to have to pull out the directions, figure out how to work this bad boy. And we're going to place this sublimation mug in here because it says when you first start it, you want to have that in there. So let's go ahead and turn it on back here with the power button. This is the digital control panel, and you'll see here, this is the timer and the counter. And there's 4 built-in modes. So they have stainless steel tumbler, you have the glass can, custom or ceramic mug. We have the temperature right here. We have the stop button and the start button. We're gonna go ahead and press stainless steel because we're gonna want it to get to 365. And it's already starting to warm up, and it's defaulted to Fahrenheit, which is perfect. So that's what we're going to do. I'm super excited about this because what is nice about this from everything I've seen is it does the 180 turn. So it'll be really nice to not have to rotate your tumblers or your mugs when you're using any other type of heat press or convection toaster oven. I can tell you that part will be super, super nice. So I'm super excited about this. One thing I did notice is my button says stop and stop. So I have 2 stops, but from other ones I've seen online, it's stop and start. But it actually is the start button. I think they just may have made a mistake because I've looked at some of the other ones online and they say start, but this is the start button. It is heating up pretty fast. I like that. Went ahead and printed the sublimation paper, so the tumbler is set, and we're also going to do a mug. This is the 20-ounce skinny straight tumbler, and then this will be a 15-ounce mug. Okay, that was pretty fast. Go ahead and take this out, and we're going to place this one in. And we're going to hit this button. This should be the start button, even though it says stop, not sure why. Starting the countdown. So you can see some steam coming out. And now can you see it rotating? Super, super sweet. I like that a lot. Okay, and then it's closing back up. And it's going to finish with another 50 seconds. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out. And I'm going to set this aside really quick, and I'm going to put this back in here because we're going to do a mug next. So I want to preheat it to mug, and mug is at 400, so we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to put the mug in. This out. And we're going to place the mug in. It's a very snug fit, which I guess that's really good, so it doesn't go anywhere. Let's push this down. All right. You can see here that it hits that. And now we're ready to hit the start button, and it's at 400 degrees, and it's going to go for 200 seconds. Okay, awesome. So we're going to hit stop, this out, and I'm going to turn it off in the back. And let's go ahead and get ready to open the other one. Let's go ahead and open this and see how it looks. I'm excited. That was super, super, super easy. I really, really like that. Wow. This may be my new favorite tumbler press. Because that makes such a big difference not to have to rotate it. You can just put it in and forget about it. Wow. That is awesome. Look at that. That is so nice. So let's set that down and let's do the mug. Wow. That looks really cute. I think the way I put in the mug, where I put this in, I think I should have positioned the, I think that was my fault. But here it looks really nice. That looks it still looks really nice. It still looks super cute. Wow. So I really, really like this a lot. I like that. I am very, very impressed, and I'm so happy that Go2Craft sent this to me. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the descriptions below, and if you don't already subscribe to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like below and let me know what you guys think of this. Is this something that you guys would like? And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.